Look at this, Spring Slaw. Apples, fennel, asparagus, shaved thin in a beautiful vinaigrette. In the bowl, we're gonna start with our dressing that's gonna kind of coat our slaw. 2 tablespoons of full-fat mayo, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. Gonna get that mixed together. We are gonna add in 1/4 cup of good olive oil, 3 scallions thinly sliced, black pepper, and a teaspoon of coarse sea salt. So give this a mix and kind of just set it on the side, and we will start slicing up our veggies that we're going to use. Now, spring vegetables, fennel, beautiful anise flavor. You're going to cut the top off here, and you're going to cut the bottom off. We're going to go in half, and I'm going to go super thin. You can do this on a mandolin if you like. If not, by hand is fine. Please be careful and comfortable with the mandolin. We are going to get this super thin, very translucent. And you're going to throw it, as we do, right in to our dressing. I feel fennel sometimes is underused. It has a very particular flavor, but in salads, that crunch factor is amazing. Really just brightens up things, and the acid from the apple cider vinegar is gonna make this soften but not lose its crunch. Asparagus, I trimmed off the bottom. The way we do that is you take the woodsy part by just bending and where it breaks. Gonna go real thin on an angle here, but once again, see how thin that is? Right in our bowl. Honeycrisp apple, you can peel it. I like leaving the skin on because it is a fresh salad. Once again, nice and thin. Everything's cut pretty much the same consistency and added right into our bowl. This is a really beautiful, crunchy salad. Well, salad slaw. I'm going to call it a slaw. Gonna give this a toss. Now, I would serve this after it sits for around 20 to 30 minutes. Taste your dressing, and you can add a little bit more pepper or salt if needed, but this is a really nice, light, crisp salad that I'm gonna serve for dinner tonight with some salmon. All right, our slaw has been sitting here for a couple minutes, and the apple and fennel still have its complete crunch and bite.